After the hot drying, the next step is cutting and removing the product. This is what we call cutting and removing. And after that, we will come off the finished product. This is the finished product.
This is the finished product. Let's go now to cooking the product. It's up to you if you're the one who cook the product or you sell it without cooking. Now, let's cook the product.
This is the cooking of the product. To remove the oil, use a strainer. After that, put the crackers on the plate with a tissue paper to remove the excess oil. Now, this is the finished product and ready for eating.